how to upload project for hackathon or any contest on GitHub repository as public for share and submit in your hackathon form. So let's go and know how to do this. First of all, you have to sign in your account on GitHub like this, and click on the image on the right up, and then search for repositories here. Click and press on new repository, and then here print or copy your name of your project. Here the name, okay, copy, and then put here, and then copy the description, copy, so it should be not more than 350 characters. Change it. Now public, readme, okay, on, and here create repository. Now you upload your folders here, okay. Now press and add files and upload files here. You can drag your files or choose file by file. It's better to drag your files. So you open where are your files, and I will open the place where my files are in, and then it's in the flash memory, this one, and this is here the folders here. So I will drag them, and put them here. It will take time, but after take this time uploading all the files, you can share the file of the repository in the form where your hackathon or contest needs. If you have any question, ask me and I'll reply you as soon as